Hunti kenta kono etwach biwawar Neriem de kwate Sen wakwani kunne kalbari Berkeli chwerem kipani alchiche Nemeron chiyak Sen wakwani kunne kalbari Yake uleit kiricheno itopin Nenyo kanchinok Seno kweni konine kalbari Hanya welech benide pani alsiwe tuoch Nemenon chialoni Seno kweni konine kalbari Ajakguong joylolwak bejoatid kwel Nation derote Seno kweni konine kalbari Riem de Krito sino owel pincheno wak Neyelom won sikut Seno kweni konine kalbari Wetelwil du tuch Paulo siche Ye patin menin Ei kwane konine kalbari
Wabinyu piny ku benden chiwa benten liu to long ku bula tweng nuch ku piny lenko bandit ping long da
Chodo it longi.
in chu be leji kichin wa be chogwe written in bandit ilej ku in kareso in to kin ge konda in to kon no du kareso man jito no wok yene man ko wa cholin ba yegwe den chogwe leg bi wok baile Cresano kumes Nathaniel Garang bi wok le la tweng de kake gwiro ke gin bandit gobde a chol wokin guye long dene ku jam den bu gol yin ku bu tol yin ale rin tun kuwa ku jong di lajik amen
We bai ku Cresano we dia. Anto ke tin ke bakanwel media houses benefit ke dia. Ke ka le juke. Ave chu kan chol war. Ku ke be wa cha kirobelwel. Ke yi wa gaw anon ka juer tete to ngor kiralew. Akentim lekini ngulen wabla tweng ku wader ayin bai. Kichi central committee ki mar. Ku central committee man war ni we yen e compose group ke to kini Diocese of Bor internal province of Bor a family a community jalwali use mama kujela South Sudan province yedo near primate Justin Badiarama committee bo as a result be ko na be kloyi e ka dawadwa kwa bishop kudit e directive to achieve gam na de bishop arway ran ben ran ready ki ran de ran juru Sudan ran tawir ku ready bishop rai na law so ran ben law ka ci gol na de ko East Africa to Nairobi allow binang fursa bi ke bishop ya bi rai ku bi view. So view of in Nairobi on Saturday bibane. Na to on Monday ini penin tediat kubo Bishop Emeritus Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit abi jor kwa abi Juba. Abi tid matar koke Southern Sudan province near Primate Justin Badike be receive kulere Old Saint Cathedral. Abilar abenela viewtin. Kwa bini luak. Na emi adur Tuesday bini painin tediakutuk eka jot kulere Bor. Abi chatatan kersano tebeli abinan fursa bike wave tiche chike en chanting kuler Bor abi Bor akol chali chirita tuk taro kulo ko Bor ku gal kulondin viewing den agut beni luake ya Tuesday night mai mi adur kulo ko juito ke kin nan fursa ga paria na around that tikro le tatuk ke processes ben ke bishop ben ke to the cabro gone. So ye na bito before the second any job ke kate Easter week job or Jumarat abulo before Jumarat. In short ye ke kulwen ku program ato watino dia program a chi bishop or archbishop Ruben Okuruwa kudi che gam in Braloya. Maktam private ache gamia Braloya. So what dia ko ekrsano kwa ri ku na de Garang Anyieth biramena birwai. Erot noi ko ku believe na de ga chatya agut bento. So bi cheran na de gran kiriyen fursa bi che go wada chibrai. Yerge chela balwel kile so kersano would kuwe quick yung churaloy ikile en ke final announcement ku program abu jal draft abeni sa tautin wa beni yum tautin clear but achirabu war ke chulele so we chugele ya rerol wo ti dite kan ko fi ageti yo rat e bi juir bi dik yen ge gaw ko ami believe na de ke ajwere abraham ben abi satisfied so we krisano take East Africa we no chance ba bishop barwai den ge change we ko juba we no chance ba bishop barwai agutu we ko Bor agutu ran kor bla Bor ali bla ko Bor ke join anon ko ke jam ga te weekend bara kirale weekend chano kan man walk Purjita weekend, but I should find to Brazil before the Easter gone to finalization of the program of funeral services and burial. So we'll start in Nairobi. People of East Africa, you are now given a chance to view body of Bishop Emeritus Nathaniel Garang Anyieth on Saturday, which is on 28th. So then on Monday, 30th, the body will be flown to Juba. And in the airport will be received by Primate Justin Badi-Arama, and from there to Old Saint Cathedral, and the process of viewing will start. And the body will be lying in the church the whole night, and then the morning of Tuesday, he will be picked on his way to Bor. So along the way, of course, there are two dioceses along the way, and many Christians are along the way. Diocese of Chuaikir, they will be stopped over there, and then the Diocese of Malik, they will be stopped over there, and then from there to Bor town. So people of Bor and people of the other dioceses will have a chance of viewing the body on the way to Bor. For Diocese of Anyidi and Diocese of Mokwait, of course, their activity will start in Bor town. And then they will spend also one night, the Tuesday night, in San Andrew Cathedral. Then on Wednesday, morning, the process now will start of the real burial and funeral services will be conducted by Archbishop Ruben Okurungonga Kudit, and from there the program will end by laying the remains of Bishop Emeritus Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit. Now, then we go in for Easter program. After Easter program, then the other mass services will be conducted after that. I think we are very clear in this. What we are urging everybody is that you continue to cooperate with us, because the activity is not yet concluded. So all of us who are involved in it, whether you are in diaspora, in East Africa, very near here, or in Juba or South Sudan, namely Goliar, or all the other towns inside South Sudan. All of you are welcome. If you are able, you have a chance in Juba, well and good. If you cannot make it, also you have a chance also to go to Bor, where the final activity will take place. Still on with all the activities. This is a program. So activities will be concluded only when the burial is finalized. And we may extend to that day of mass service or prayers which will be done after Easter. Thank you very much.
I can add is the program rollout. We have given the Jewelage, which is youth ministry, particularly here in Juba, notably the two dioceses, that is Diocese of Juba and Diocese of Rajab, to be the one to facilitate, because we'll have overnight prayers, and it will be solely under these two dioceses, because we will not bring people from Bor for that events. And the matching will be between, in the effort, will be Youth Mama and Jewelage. So we have already touched base with the concerned Jewelage here in Juba, and they have to take control about that. Although I will be in the cathedral during the night prayers. So all of us will be there, so that we will have a trans-night prayers until the morning to remove the body. So this is only information that I want to pass to everybody. In the effort niya bigo ako use mama cause use mama nang ban ko use mama ku jola jowali ke ga organized group to ke identify guten na chilong chitok long bia primate ka be presided over na chilong to ko ban overnight prayers ke ka bi ko jowali ga bi taken so kene in ke ko jowali be taken na che jowali bla ben Bor cause jowali to Bor be ya musul ka Bor ku jowali totne in ka be ya musul yen so in ke and the local budiet that come they will have to join jowali here. And those of Bor, if it happens that they come here, they have to come through the Jolly here in Juba. And likewise, the Jolly here in Juba, if they want to go to Bor, they have to go through Jolly in Bor. So those are the proceedings that we suggested. For harmony, that's only that.
The other part, of course, we did not do introduction.
Yeah.
I'm the chair of this central committee. Together, we have this dignitaries who are here, all of them, they are members.
Right.
But we have one prominent person, who is Professor Deng. He's the one actually in charge of resource mobilization. And as we have put it, some of that is an activity, it's a continuous activity, till it will be concluded. And when the burial is final, it may extend to mass prayer, which will take place at the burial. So, you guys who want to continue giving support, you are allowed to continue giving support. Thank you very much.
Awada Nathaniel rin ko buke ariyo chochen bichobo e pion cholo e pino bichit pinyal Yo mio de kul bu yasham. Yo pol karai ko chimene ko karai lo pol. Dundu wo choisem. Yo lo ne krach. Chene kudu. Yere kudu. Ngome kudu aser.
Amen.
Bendi tulone. Awar wakin. Walu wan ko awar wang na run ko awar wang ni nyich. Mio wak lun on mio wang ni nyich. Yo wa lo ne lew loy. Ke ni ni tok in ke ni gam. Kuin ke real gam. Kun panda. Kun koch ko. Bi gu pial. Bu ken bu lo gu ten daman bi waton kuin bu ya lay num kuin piandu gula jeng do kerso bayni da. Si ay de kerso bayni da. Si ay de kerso bayni da. Ni ni alish. Many jong di lejik. Abi ato ken wadi asa. Amen.